Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Dayforce employee account. So let's get it started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Dayforce Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as dayforcescm.com. In my case, it's the first one. And here you need to provide your company name, your username, and your password to log into your account. So type your company name in the text field given for your company name. Then type your username in the text field given for your username. Then provide your password in the text field given for your password. Now to log into your employee account, all you gotta do is tap on the login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.